Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. At narito naman po tayo sa ating munting kusina. Tayo po ay magluluto ng deep fried chicken wings. At narito po ang ating mga ingredients. Meron po tayong chicken wings. Meron po tayong garlic, pepper, salt, ginger, a dash of soy sauce, a dash of oyster sauce. At meron po tayo ditong 4-hour butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Yung atin pong chicken wings are washed, cleaned, and sliced. At natimplahan na po natin ng mga ingredients po nating nabanggit kanina. To taste po, kung ano po ang gusto nyong panlasa sa inyong chicken wings, ay nasa inyo po yon. Atin din pong titimplahan ng konting ingredients yung ating butter, just like the ingredients we had earlier, para magkaroon din po ng konting lasa ang ating butter. Again po, yung timpla po ay nasa inyo. You want it bland or salty a bit, it's up to you po. And then gagawa po tayo ng butter. Tingnan po natin kung gaano ang consistency nito. Just a drop of water. Dahan-dahan po para makita natin kung gaano po ang gusto nating consistency. Then we'll just mix it until we get the right consistency. Ayan po, it's a little bit thick. So, I'm looking for a little bit more consistent. Dagdagan ko po ng konting tubig lang. Ayun. And let's mix it. Oh wow, ayan, I think I got it. I think I got the right consistency. Okay na po yan. And all I do is I'll drop all the chicken wings in the butter. And then I'll just mix it right there. Ayan po. Atin na pong na-mix yung ating chicken wings. And let's set that for about 10-15 minutes para po mag-absorb niya yung timpla ng ating butter. And while doing that, magpapainit po tayo ng ating kasirola, ang ginagamit ko sa aking pag-deep fry. Ayan po, test po natin yung ating mantika. Ayun, it's ready. It's bubbling hot. Ready na po yung ating mantika for our deep fry chicken wings. Ayan po, nakasala na po yung ating chicken wings. Huwag po muna nating galawin yung ating chicken wings. Let's wait until it just floats up para hindi po masira yung butter. And we will deep fry it until it's golden brown. Malapit-lapit na po. About 30 seconds to a minute, and then our first batch is done. Ayan po, that's good. Let's go for another batch. There we go. We're almost done on our second batch. Malapit na. Another 30 minutes 30 seconds to a minute. Our last and final chicken wings. There you go. And that's it. We're done with our deep fried chicken wings. And we're good to go. Ayan na po ang ating chicken wings. And I hope you like it when you do one for yourself. And yung muli po yung timpla at yung taste ay nasa inyo po. Nasa panlasa po ninyo kung paano po ninyo titimplahan yung inyong chicken or kahit ano po mang inyong niluluto. And disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako chef. I don't have any education in culinary or cooking. Masaya lang po ako kung ako'y nagluluto and my relatives, my family, my nephews and nieces just want me to cook and they enjoy my cooking. At sila po ang nagbigay sa akin ng pangalang Chef Ninomnom kasi daw po masarap ang aking mga niluluto. Muli po, maraming salamat and I hope you enjoy this recipe and the previous ones I've made. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day.